Hey, this is David Leite, and I'm going to show you how to make juicy, tender pork butt from Leite's Culinaria. You'll need obviously a pork butt, kosher salt, cumin, red pepper flakes, brown sugar, light or dark, black pepper, and some paprika. Now dump all those ingredients into a bowl and mix them together. Don't need to be fancy. Use your fingers, use a spoon, makes no difference. And all you have to do is rub it all over the pork. Now don't be stingy, use it all up. You really want to massage that into the meat and then flip it over and do the same thing to the other side and really get into all those crevices. And then wrap it up in some plastic wrap and give it a good whack. Slip it into the fridge overnight and you're done. Next day, place it on a rack inside a baking sheet and roast that for 6 to 8 hours. And when you're done, you've got something that looks just like this, juicy and perfect. And then start pulling it apart for anything you want. You can make an awesome pulled pork grilled cheese or pulled pork sandwich with coleslaw, or you can make pork tacos, or maybe even slather it with barbecue sauce.